What should we do next? Should we do something really exciting? Because we got 2 bags to unbox today as well. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I mean, can we believe this? It is heavy. I was trying to get a good thumbnail and I was trying to lift all these boxes up and oh my god, they're so heavy. So we got a lot to unbox today. And yeah, so today's video is kindly sponsored by FARFETCH, and I mean, I love collaborating with FARFETCH. I live for these videos. I would say let's start with these. Oh, I didn't bring scissors. I might have to go and get some scissors in a second because we know I'm not good at opening these boxes. Here we go. So let's see. Let's start with the smallest box, right? And then work our way up. So again, let me remind you that FARFETCH now has a beauty section and it is incredible if you order something from there. I ordered 3 Charlotte Tilbury pieces. They arrive in like a day. So if you order something today, basically you get it tomorrow. So the shipping is incredible, and FARFETCH has everything basically from essentials to like the season's latest launches. I got this Charlotte Tilbury Feline Flick eyeliner again in black. It's actually the eyeliner I use every day for my makeup, and so many of you always ask me what I use to do this. It's this one. I'm currently wearing one of those lipsticks again. This is another color, so I'm very excited about that. Et voila, it says a FARFETCH there again, and here we have a little advertisement card and the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Night Cream. Okay guys, what should we do next? Should we do something really exciting? Because we got 2 bags to unbox today as well, and 1 pair of sunglasses as well, and a dress. So there's a lot of amazing stuff coming up. I would say, I think this is one of the bags. It's quite light. If you have any guesses, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you've watched my recent videos, you might know what I was eyeing. I mean, I'm eyeing quite a lot of bags, but you know, these ones are very practical bags and I can always only recommend them. Because you don't need to worry about it. I mean, you have seen all the drama that recently happened with another specific brand, and you know, it's not gonna happen with these bags. So FARFETCH, and there we can see. Can we see it? Oh, they packaged it nicely in case it would rain or get wet. Let me come closer. Et voila. Yes, it is the Dolce Gabbana bag. And by now you might probably know what it is. So are we ready? I'm so happy they made these in like a tiny little small version now as well, because I absolutely love mine. Oh, hello! Oh my god, you are extremely cute. Wow, okay, so you guys know I always need to like check it. So this is the smallest size, well, the mini size of the Dolce Gabbana Beatrice bag series line. So I love mine. I had the small size so far, which is basically this tall, and I have the medium size, which is a good, you know, everyday swing over your shoulder kind of go to run errands, go to buy groceries type of bag. So this I just thought is incredibly cute. You know, you could just like in summer wear this with a nice little summer dress and you know, just keep your essentials in it. I love it. And this bag only comes out in black so far. However, they came out with so many gorgeous new colors for this summer season. And yeah, I can only recommend you to go and check out all the links in the description box. I will link all the different FARFETCH Dolce Gabbana Beatrice styles, sizes, colors down below. And also guys, use my code if you find anything on FARFETCH. You know, it's always really helpful. I mean, these items are not cheap. They're very expensive. So if you can save something, it's always a good thing, right? So definitely use my code. And yeah, this is one of the little beauties. Okay, what do we do? Do we put her here? For a second, I got so many boxes everywhere now. I don't know where to put all of them. So next up, let's just look into this. You might have noticed that I'm wearing my Salvatore Ferragamo asymmetrical earrings today. Somebody said, oh Mina, your earrings broke. No, they didn't. These are just like asymmetrical pieces. I absolutely love the asymmetrical look, no matter, you know, what kind of brand we're talking about. And when I saw these from Salvatore, I was like, I need them. You can find them on Fashion File as well, just saying. Okay, so you know I've been hunting a new pair of sunglasses forever and ever and ever. Yeah. And I found one that I really like, and many of you actually in the vlog that I tried this pair on said that, you know, you really like this pair too and I should go for it, and I decided to, yeah, it's time, let me go for it. So what do we have here? Ooh, little Salvatore Ferragamo perfume samples. That's a nice little touch. Okay, so I think they are very different to my usual Gucci sunglasses that I like to wear all the time. Comes in the little Salvatore Ferragamo sunglasses case, and they are very different. I think they are extremely stylish. I think you don't see this design often. Here they are. I mean, you guys know I love big sunglasses. Et voila. Hi. Do we like them? I love them, I have to say. I mean, maybe not with this dress. I think they are very edgy, but I like them a lot. Okay guys, so next up, let me get that out of the way as well. Okay, I bought a dress as well. Before we get to the big bag that I bought, I mean, 2 huge boxes. I mean, look at this side. One of them is a bag, one of them is a dress. Yeah, let's go with the dress first. Oh no, do I need scissors for this? I might. I would also say I'm definitely gonna give you modeling shots. I try everything on later. I try the different bags on so that you can see how big they are on my body. That's always helpful, right? Okay guys, so here we are. I just opened the box in a different way. Okay, so wow, this is my first Marchesa dress. And I absolutely love it. I mean, you guys know I love pink. And it comes with the hanger and everything. Very exciting. Wow, have you ever had Marchesa dresses? Let me know. I just saw that and I thought, you know, it's so hot at the moment in London. I really need some more beautiful like summer dresses that are really, really light. So yeah, we try this on in a second, but this is it. This is my little Marchesa. I think it's Marchesa, right? It's Italian. Okay guys, so I would say now we get into the most exciting part of this video. Let me get rid of this as well. And yeah, here we are. This is a Dolce Gabbana bag as well, and the box is quite heavy. I mean guys, I'm just really, really happy with my little bags, and I can just wear them without being worried, and that is a really important thing, a really important point for me when I make a purchase. And let me tell you, with these bags you don't have to worry about anything. So here we are. I love it when they send the big boxes as well. Oh! Et voila! Any guesses? What could be in here? So it's quite a big bag. It's my biggest bag yet. Ooh. And like I said guys, definitely use my code if you find anything on FARFETCH, and you can save quite a bit. And let me know as well if you find something, what you buy. Because, you know, I'm very excited whenever I hear that you bought this and this bag because you saw it on my channel, or wow. Color. Oh my god. Okay. Hello. Oh my god. I love this color so much. When I saw this bag came out in this color, I was like, wow, this honestly looks like a very familiar color that a very familiar brand came out with recently. However, there were lots of quality issues, you know what I'm talking about. And I was like, wow, this is the same beautiful color, but without, what was that? Without the quality issues. And it's a summer bag you can just wear and it doesn't matter. So we got a trip coming up very soon and we're gonna go to Costa Rica. And I was thinking, you know what, I want a beautiful summer bag that I don't have to worry about when it's raining, when I take it in to the jungle, basically, when we take it to the beach. This is my bag that I'm gonna take to Costa Rica. And you know what, you can just have this one with all your stuff that you need and you can use it as a travel bag. And then you can have this tiny bag inside. And, you know, just take it with you as well. And whenever you go to a nice dinner in the evening, you just take this. And during the day, if you go to the beach or you drive anywhere, you can just take this bag as your travel bag. How amazing is this? I love it. And look how beautiful they are. Okay, so this is the largest size. So now I basically own the mini, the small, the medium, and the large in the Beatrice. And that's it now as well. I mean, that's enough. But yeah, I could not resist when I saw that they were bringing these bags out in these sizes and these colors. It's just, you know, my brain was boom. So let's have a look. Trying to get all of the paper. Wow, they stuffed it well. They stuffed it really well. So what do we have in here? Seems like a little authenticity card. I didn't know that Dolce & Gabbana bags came with authenticity cards as well. That is quite interesting. And here we have, yeah, the tag. And that's it, guys. It's basically just one huge giant hole. And absolutely perfect, you know, as a summer bag. And I can't wait to take it out. And this one as well. I mean, is it standing up on its own? Probably not. I actually think I could put my Chanel 22 bag organizer in here. And let me try that in a second. Let's also take the stuffing out of this little bag. So yeah, it seems like they are coming with authenticity cards. Not noticed that with my other ones. I just always just put this stuff away, I think. Like, I'm not throwing it away or anything, obviously not. I just put it in like a drawer. Oh, cute. So this one actually has, can we see that? It has something down here. It's like a fabric material, because these bags, they just, can you see that? It's just the lace everywhere. Interesting. Okay, so that's it, guys. Let me show you how these bags look like on, and let me show you the dress. And that's what I mean. Look, you can just put this teeny tiny little bag in your bag, take it with you, and you're good for an entire holiday, entire summer holiday. Can't wait to go to Costa Rica! Are we ready for the pink overkill? Yeah, as you can see, I can't walk on these shoes. I need a little bit of practice. I'm just not good with like high heels, like at all. However, I thought they go fantastically well with what I want to portray here today. You know, pink summer happiness. So yeah, this dress I got recently. I love it. It's very, you know, airy as well and light, and it's just perfect for summer. And then these shoes, I love them. I think they're pretty cool. Let me know if you like them too. And then, of course, my new pair of Salvatore Ferragamo sunglasses, my Salvatore Ferragamo earrings, and this bag. Ta-ta-ta-ta. So, yes, it is a pink overkill. But, guys, what can I tell you? I think it's fantastic. Of course, you can tone it down. You don't need to do this. You could just wear like a really nice, comfortable, you know, hot pants and, I don't know, summer blouse or whatever, and, you know, mix it with such a big tote like the Beatrice tote, and, you know, you can go to the beach as well, have your little bathing suit or bikini underneath, and it's perfect. I think I just wanted to go all out for this. But yeah, I love it. And again, so let me get the little one. Imagine this, you know, this outfit just with the tiny little bag. It's perfect. You can wear it on your wrist. And yeah, other than that, just as a handheld bag. Or what I said, just put it in your big bag and you're ready for day and night. Let me quickly change into my Marchesa dress. Et voila, here we are. So I really like it. I went for the US size 4 because I've got no experiences with US sizing and with this brand. I wanted to make sure it's going to fit me. However, I think it's a little bit loose. That's why I added this little belt on top. I think I could have gone for the US size 2. But it's definitely, you know, at least I can eat as much spaghetti as I want in this dress. So I paired it with this little black belt, and I thought the black shoes then look a lot better, obviously, than the pink shoes. And ta-da! I like it. So it's the perfect like outfit to just go to a nice dinner in the evening, meet your girlfriends, or, you know, go have dinner with your boyfriend or your husband. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. However, again, you know, this is of course very formal. You can just wear it with some trainers as well, without this belt, and then obviously with this huge beach bag. You know, let me just quickly remove this. Et voila. So, you know, this is of course more of a daytime look. If you wear it without the belt and just with a big, huge tote. Yeah, guys, okay, so that was it for today. I am hot from trying on everything. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, and it's real. And I see you again very, very soon. Bye!